Minsan, nadadamay doon sa mga pinaggagawa niya. All of you, up!
Ilang saglit pa, kinausap muna si Maymay ni Sergeant Sandig.
Mas matured ka kesa sa kanila.
Yes po, sir.
Mas matanda ka sa kanila. Mas bata sila sa iyo. Mas mataas ang expectation ko sa iyo.
Bilang po, sanay siguro, sir.
Breeze out, breeze out, breeze out! Mas matured ka kesa sa kanila. Kasi tawag nga nila sa iyo, ate. Ate.
Opo, sir.
Help me. So, ipakita mo yung pagiging ate.
Pagkatapos, nagbigay din si Kuya ng payo kay Maymay.
Hindi naman sana yung magiging rules yun eh, kung sana hindi kami tumawa.
Maymay, naiintindihan ko ang personalidad mo. Pero hindi lahat ng bagay nadadaan sa tawa o kailangan tawanan.
Oo nga po.
Maraming bagay din na kailangan seryosohin. Lalong-lalo na yung mga taong nagtuturo sa inyo. Ngayong araw, hindi yung biro at hindi sila nagbibiro.
Opo.
Susunod, paano hinarap ni Maymay at ng ibang nominadong housemates ang panibagong training? Ilang bagong hamon sa ilalim ng teen housemates sa isang obstacle course at para magtagumpay, kailangan makatawid silang lahat sa isang pader sa loob lamang ng 10 minuto.
The Lucky 17 Squad! Yun na yung time na ipakita nyo na kayo ay mga malulupit. Nagpapasa ba kayo? Yes! Yes!
Unang sumabak si Marco sa hamon ng obstacle course.
Oh, ulit. Set nyo, set nyo, set nyo. Go, 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 go! Slow, Marco, slow, slow. Oh my. Very nice. Slow, Marco, slow this one. Slow this down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Balik, 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 balik. Slow it down. Oh! Balik, 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 balik.
Low down.
Go, Marco. Go, Marco. Slow. Keep your feet down. Keep your feet on the ground.
Your feet on the ground.
Edward, get ready, get ready. Balance me.
Sit.
Okay, go.
Go, 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 Marco, we can do it.
Actually, hindi po ako nahihirapan sa mga training, sa mga obstacles. Hindi po ako nahihirapan.
Go, go.
Go, Edward.
Go, go.
Go. Yeah.
Good job. Good job.
Yes, yes. Oh, good. You do it.
Go.
You do it, leader.
Faster, faster.
My gosh.
Come on, Christian, you can do this, bro. Let's go. Nice one, Christian. Nice one, nice one.
Yes.
Go. Keep those feet low. Keep those feet low. Head on the ground. That's it, Christian. That's it. Go, go, go. Let's go. Let's go. That's my boy. That's my boy. Let's go.
Go, bye.
Come on, bye. Let's go.
Parang yung grip ko po hindi na masyadong matibay. Kaya natakot po ko na baka mahulog.
Clear your legs. Yeah.
Good thing po na iraos ko naman po yung sarili ko doon.
Down. Go. Go, go. Nice. Go, Valerie. Down, 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 down.
Pinaka nahihirapan po ako sa obstacle course kasi I had to repeat kasi natamaan ko po yung barbed wire. Kaya doon po ako natagalan, kuya.
Let's go. Let's go.
Kasi natry ko po yun. United po kami.
Go, down, let's go. Nice one now. Go. Yeah! You're stopped. Drag your chin on the ground. Next! Let's go. Nice job. Next.
Go, Ate Maymay.
Nice one, Maymay. Nice, Maymay. Nice.
Nice one.
Nice, Maymay. Go. Go, Maymay, go. Yan. Drag your Maymay. Go. Nice one. Go. Maymay. No.
Go, Ethan.
Go, go. Mark, we got sure.
Relax, Ethan.
Focus.
Hindi ko po kalakasan yung physical na activities.